Okay, welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to guide how a Xiaomi 17 Max that is recently announced. I think it yet not announced, and we are going to discuss that how you can install, how you can run, how you can do custom ROM, how can I do custom, how can I make my Xiaomi, Xiaomi 17 Max fully voted. Guide me with required URL that I'll mention URLs. Okay, let's see. This is really a basic and information video I am going to make for you, and I think I haven't received any request, any comment on this video, so that is why I thought to make on my personal experience and guide you. Currently, everywhere AI is placed and discussing AI making our life easy and critical warning before you start. Okay, what the basic thing you should understand, you should know. Critical warning before you start routing will while you're warranty. Okay. While you're handling app all your data on your device and direct some app, banking apps, and Google Pay. Risk breaking if done incorrectly. Most important is disconnect from the internet immediately. Idiom is actively pushing hot updates to patch exploits. If connected to Wi-Fi or cellular cellular data, the exploit window may be silently closed. Also finished. Okay, from your requirement, this currently only work on the January 2020 security patch or older. Everything above dated is patch for the Xiaomi. Okay, first of all, let's see the images of the video of the smartphone. You can see the look. So, okay, let's back to our guide. Pre requires Windows PC 10 and 11 recommended USB cable, USB 2.0 port preferred, active SIM card inserted, and my account 30 plus days old, battery at 50% minimum above, and ADB and fastboot tools installed in your PC. Okay, tools and download link MI unlock tool you will get. I will mention the links in the video description so you can easily read and you can easily follow up the website links. I will mention passport command you will see you will get and Magisk root management GitHub link I will mention. Let me open each. Okay, you can see. I think it's a download. It downloaded. Let's leave it. Okay, it's saying that let's see. This is our account where you will have account on this, and this is the SDK platform tool list and Majestic you will download from here. Okay, just really easy for you. If you keep visiting my videos and understanding the thing you read, you will get. Okay, this is the Village tool website and XDA forums. You will require and understand the things easily. Okay, free Xiaomi 17 series and Redmi K90 Pro Max bootloader unlock. No distance delay. Okay, this will be easy and you can do yourself as well. Okay, free your system updater app. If you are feeling any issue, any problem, any getting any problem, you will about the Xiaomi K90 Pro Max. Let's search this smartphone. This is the it's released on 2025 October. So, okay, And XDA main guide, I will mention XDA root guide, that is here. How to unlock bootloader and load Xiaomi Ultra 17 Ultra. Uh, Let me see. Got it today and succeed to unlock root. Okay, here you can see I need some help. If you get any problem and issue, you can comment on the video. I will go and guide you properly in our uh, on your issue and problem. I will try to make a tutorial video for you. Your friend firmware download, you can download m frame m frame mi frame. There is some for website likely understood turned off. Thank you so much. So you can download from here. File size 11G. Okay. This is our website. I will mention this as well in the video description. And guidelines is enable developer option and bind MI account. Go to setting, phone information, and tap the MI Hyper OS version 7 times enable developer option. Okay, and keep the SIM card inserted and shut down your phone. Then hold power plus volume down to insert for fast boot mode. And there's the steps and flash Majestic via fastboot and handle OT update after boot. If your bootloader is already patched, lock situations. There is no BL root bypass available as long as your Qualcomm device can enable Linux permissive mode. You can achieve your root even with a locked bootloader. Okay, you can discuss. As of April 9, 2026, Xiaomi has not yet triggered an irreversible physical hardware fuse on the SoC. So that's key for them to monitor. Good luck. The situation for the Xiaomi is fast moving, so always check the SDA thread for the latest status before proceeding anything, any issue. Okay. This is a simple guidelines I mentioned. If you have still problem while making root or custom, so discuss on the comment and don't forget to subscribe if you want. That's all for now.